Hello. So most of the times we store our credentials in .env file in Laravel, but it has few problems. First is the cache issue. Sometimes you have changed the value of some variable, but it is still picking the old value. So you have to remove caches in order to get the latest value. Second, it is not dynamic. They are hard-coded. So I will show you how I am addressing these issues. At the end of this video, I will also show you how you can save hard-coded variables if required. So this is the env file. To address the cache issue, I am not saving database credentials here. Instead, I am saving directly in config folder database.php file. I have commented out Laravel default code and used hard-coded strings. And same goes for sessions. I am not using these values. I have set them up in config folder session.php. I have set the lifetime of session for 100 years. You can change values from here anytime you want and you won't have to refresh the cache. Second is the hard-coded credentials like SMTP. In order to solve this, I have created a separate page in admin panel where I can manage my credentials. I have created all the input fields I need. Let me show you how I am saving these fields. First, I am getting all these values from request. Then I am calling my setSettings function and passing key values. Keys will be used to fetch the value of any variable. This is the setSettings function. It accepts key value as parameters. It first checks if the key exists in settings table. This is the structure of my settings table. If it does not exist, then it creates one. If already exists, then it just updates its value. Now in order to fetch all the keys, you can fetch all from settings table. Then loop through all and set the key values like this. Now you can access your variables just like normal objects. And these are the keys that you have set. Last thing is, there might be some scenarios when you do want to save some variables and hard-coded strings, but do not want to refresh cache every time you change them. In this case, I have created a config.php file inside config folder, and here I am returning all my variables as hard-coded strings. And in order to access them, you just need to call Laravel built-in function config and pass the string parameter, your file name, which in this case is config, dot your variable name. So that's it. This is my approach to deal with sensitive credentials and .env cache issues. If you have any suggestions about this, kindly do let me know. Thank you.